So today we're going to doing our assignment with Simetri coffee. My name is Sofia Febiana.
My name is Sebastian.
My name is Dwi Ariani.
My name is Galih.
My name is Zahra.
Bye-bye!
On the 29th of September 2024, we had the opportunity to conduct a cupping test in Simetri coffee. And today, we are here to document the results. We used protocols that align with the SCAA protocols to discuss the effect of grinding sizes on a brewed coffee quality. In this test, we decided to use Arabica Sigagarutang coffee beans. But before we conduct the cupping test, we actually got a chance to taste a normal brewed and paper-filtered coffee to understand the taste profile. For some of us, it was straight up bitter and acidic, and for a few of us, there were tiny hints of aftertastes that resemble orange or other kind of floral properties. To prepare everything we need for a cupping session, we have to prepare the coffee grinds. Here, we use an electric grinder to grind to 3 sizes, being fine, medium, and coarse. As you can see, the feel of these beans are already quite different from each other. From then, the coffee grinds would be separated into cups. For the hot water, we are using a proportion of 1 parts coffee to 15 parts water. So for each cup, we would be using around 10 grams of coffee with 150 mils of hot water at 90 degrees Celsius. The hot water was poured while weighing the water that's being used. After pouring, we will then set them aside to let the coffee beans carry out extraction for 3 minutes. When the timer is over, the excess coffee grinds are skimmed off to better taste the brewed coffee. In addition to these 3 cups, there's also another sample that we use, which is a 70 to 30 blend of Robusta to Arabica, though this sample is only used as a comparison. We then continue to tasting and then scoring into our SCAA table as shown above. For each sample, we test them multiple times for its smell, its taste, and also its mouthfeel. And here are the results.
In the fine grinded coffee, we score the aroma at 7, flavor at 7, aftertaste at 6, clean cup at 8, sweetness at 8, balance at 6, and overall score of 9. So for the final score, we concluded the fine grinded Arabica beans at 76.25.
In the medium grind coffee, we scored the aroma at 8. We rate the flavor at a 7 with aftertaste at 7, acidity at 8.5, body at 8, uniformity at 8, with a balance at 7.5, clean cup at 6, sweetness at 8, with an overall score of 8.5. The final score was concluded at 76.5.
In the coarse green, we scored the aroma at 6, flavor at 6 with an aftertaste at 6, acidity at 7, body at 6, uniformity at 7, balance at 9, clean cup at 7, sweetness at 7 with an overall score of 7. The final score was concluded at 68. For the 70 to 30 blend of Robusta to Arabica, we scored the aroma at a 7, flavor at 8 with an aftertaste at 6, acidity at 6, body at 8, uniformity at 7.5, balance at 7, clean cup at 8, sweetness at 8 with an overall score of an 8. So the final score was concluded at 73.5.
Now, what affect these results? In the fine grinded coffee, extraction carries out quicker because of its larger surface area, so acidity and bitterness comes quicker. Even though it's quicker, its uniformity also decreases through time. In the medium grind, there's a better balance of acid and sweetness. In the coarse one, flavors are the least extracted and therefore the most neutral out of the 3. Aftertaste was a little bit hard to define, but there were floral notes similar to those of oranges or cherries. The barista said that sweetness are linear to its bitterness, so the more bitter it is, the more sweetness comes along with it. We were taught by the barista that water with no anorganic minerals is best in order to extract the coffee flavors better without changing the profile because of minerals that bind with the acidic properties of Arabica. In conclusion, after conducting the cupping test with an SCAA protocol, we claim that the best coffee based on its grind size was the medium grind Arabica. That concludes the documentation. Thank you everyone for listening and watching. We are Group H. Have a nice day.